is how you can set specific text tone for your contact on your iPhone. Now, this is really easy. And before we do that, if you're new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now, let's just start. First, what you need to do is just search for the contact in your mobile phone and just open it up. Now, after you open it up, what you can do is just tap on edit on the top right. After you tap on edit, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see like you can add a phone number, add email, add pronouns, you can add URLs, birthdays, and so on and on. There you will see ringtone and text tone. Just tap on text tone and you can just select any text tone you want. Now, after you select any text tone you want, just tap on done and again tap on done, and that is pretty much it. That is how you set specific text tone for a contact on your iPhone. Now, if you get a text from that contact, you'll get notified from that very text tone. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos and take care. Bye bye.